na kasama po dito ang Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
Which Vice President have you audited in terms of confidential funds?
Ang na-audit ko lang po na liquidation documents ng Office of the Vice President ay kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
Likewise, Your Honor, this witness will testify and authenticate such other documents and will attest to such other matters as are relevant and material to this impeachment case.
Comment on the part of counsel for respondent?
Subject to cross-examination, Your Honor.
Subject to cross, counsel may proceed with her direct when she is ready.
Thank you. Thank you, counsel. Madam Witness, can you again please state, pakisabi ulit anong pangalan natin, your age, your occupation, and other personal circumstances.
I am Cylene May L. Del Campo, 36 years old, a state auditor currently assigned in the Intelligence and Confidential Fund Audit Office of the Commission on Audit.
Okay. Will you be testifying in English or Filipino or both, Madam Witness?
In both languages po.
Okay. With that permission, Your Honor. Please tell us, Madam Witness, Miss Cylene, ano ba ang educational background natin?
Ako po ay nagtapos ng Bachelor of Science in Accountancy degree sa St. Louis University po.
Okay. And you said earlier that ngayon ikaw ay state auditor na ng COA, ICFAO, Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office, correct?
Opo.
Okay. Can you tell us, before you became state auditor to this current position, meron ka bang ibang position sa COA?
Wala na po akong naging ibang posisyon sa COA.
And when did you start therefore? You're being a state auditor of the COA, ICFAO.
Nagsimula po ako noong August 26, 2014.
August 26, 2014. Okay.
Opo.
Just to remind us all, ano ba ang functions nung COA ICFAO?
Ang COA ICFAO po ay office under the Office of the Chairperson na nagtitake charge po sa audit ng intelligence and confidential funds ng mga government agencies po.
Okay. And what are these government agencies that you have audited?
Ang mga na-audit ko po is mga local government units, government-owned and controlled corporations, at saka po mga national government agencies na kasama po dito ang Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
When you say Office of the Vice President, who? Which Vice President specifically during your term, during your current position from 2014 to the present, which Vice President have you audited in terms of confidential funds?
Nung magsimula po ako sa COA, sa ICFAO, ang na-audit ko lang po na liquidation documents ng Office of the Vice President ay kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
Bakit siya lang, Madam Witness?
Dahil nga po from 2014 hanggang sa ngayon po, yung na-submit po sa amin na liquidation documents is sa confidential fund po ni VP Sara.
Mga sinubmit sa inyo.
Opo.
You also mentioned na nag-audit ka sa Office of the DepEd, Department of Education. Sino-sino mga secretaries ng DepEd ang na-audit mo para sa confidential funds?
Sa DepEd naman po, ang na-audit ko lang po na liquidation documents na nasubmit sa office namin is liquidation documents sa confidential fund ni Vice President Sara Duterte noong siya ay Secretary of Education.
Okay, bakit? Bakit si Secretary of DepEd Sara Duterte lang?
Dahil po from 2014 to present, siya lang po yung Secretary of Education na may confidential fund.
Let's go now to your current function as State Auditor of the COA ICFAO. And you started when, Madam Witness? Kailan ka nag-umpisa dito?
August 26, 2014 po.
Malalam ba, sino ang sinundan mo sa position na ito?
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong?
You started with this office in August.
Opo, tama po.
And when you started in August, were there any liquidation documents of the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd in that office?
Yes po, meron po.
And did you evaluate them?
Nung umalis po si Mr. Wamil, ako na po ang nagpatuloy ng audit ng mga liquidation documents po ng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education po.
Okay. And pag sinabi mong audit, anong klaseng audit ang ginawa mo or ang ginagawa ng office mo?
Ang audit po na ginagawa ng aming opisina ay post-audit po.
Tell us again, what is a post-audit?
Sa post-audit po na ito, natapos na po yung transaksyon at paggastos ng pondo. Doon na po kami mag-audit. Pag natapos na po ang transaksyon at paggastos ng pondo.
Natapos na yung transaction, nagastos na yung pera, ino-audit nyo. Anong ino-audit nyo?
Ang ino-audit po namin is yung utilization ng confidential and intelligence fund.
Okay. Ngayon, what were these documents that Mr. Wamil left and which you took over with?
Bale po, iniwan po niya sa akin ang mga documents ng OBP for the periods December 21 to 31, 2022. Kasama na rin po ang first to third quarters ng 2023. And for the DepEd po, iniwan din po niya sa akin ang mga documents for the first, second, and third quarters of 2023.
Showing to you, Madam Witness, a tabulation. Merong ginawang tabulation si Mr. Wamil at ito po ay minarkahan natin to cover exhibits P-1-8-1 up to P-1-8-848 covering 845 acknowledgement receipts for the period December 21 to 31, 2022. If shown to you, this tabulation and the supporting acknowledgement receipts, please identify the same.
Opo.